A few weeks ago, I shared with you my 5 healthy treats video, and I will link that in the description box below. In that video, I promised to share our homemade granola recipe. This is a cinnamon almond granola that everybody loves. My kids can never keep out of it, and we can never keep it in the house. You're gonna love it. Stick around. Hi, I'm Lauren with One Haven Maven. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you are looking for recipes, parenting tips, decorating ideas, and more, then this is the place for you, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please also give this video a like if you enjoy these kinds of videos, and let's get on to it. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to put our oats. You're going to want 6 cups of oats, and you can use either old-fashioned or quick oats. It's really up to you, whatever you have. Both will work fine, but the old-fashioned oats kind of clump together better and give you those granola clusters. Next, we're adding our cinnamon, and you're going to add 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. To really bring out the flavor in this granola, you have to have salt, and you need 3/4 of a teaspoon. To the rest of your dry ingredients, you're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. It can be light or dark, and to be honest, I don't really pack this. I just sort of do it loosely and toss it in. Now you're going to give everything a really good stir and make sure that all of your dry ingredients are well mixed before you add the wet ones to your bowl. To start off our wet ingredients, we're going to use 2/3 of a cup of oil. You can use any oil in here, but I prefer coconut oil. I feel like it gives it a really rich flavor. Mine, it was not hot enough to be liquid, so I just had to pop it in the microwave for about 30 or 40 seconds until it was fully melted, and then just pour it on into your dry ingredients. Now we get on to the good stuff. We're adding in the honey. 3/4 of a cup of honey, and this is sort of your glue that holds your granola together. I have cut down the honey a little bit in this recipe before just to make it not quite so sweet, but don't cut it down too much or it won't stick together. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, which also gives it a really good flavor. You want to mix everything up really well here. You can use your hands if you like, but I much prefer to use a spoon. Make sure it's all well mixed and it kind of looks like this when you're done. And then you're going to preheat your oven to 325. I've prepared 2 cookie sheets with a silicone baking mat on them, and I'm going to divide the mixture between those 2 mats and spread it out nice and thin. You want to make sure that your granola isn't too thick, otherwise it won't get nice and crispy. And then we're going to pop it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for exactly 15 minutes the first time around. After your 15 minutes is up, pull your granola out of the oven and give it a quick stir to enable that it cooks evenly, and spread it back out on your cookie sheet. And before you slide it back in the oven, you're going to add some slivered almonds. You use 1 cup of slivered almonds and divide that between the 2 trays of granola. Bake this for another 10 minutes to get your almonds all nice and toasty, and then take it out, give it 1 last stir, and now it's time to add your raisins, if you prefer. I know not everyone loves raisins, and so it tastes amazing even without the raisins. I just like it for a little added texture. And look at the finished product. You guys, this stuff is amazing. Our whole family loves it. This granola is crunchy and sweet, but not too sweet, and works in a variety of different dishes. You're going to love it. There you go, super easy granola ready in about 30 minutes, and I promise you it will be a hit. I love to use this in smoothie bowls, with yogurt, or just in a bowl with some milk. Just eat it like cereal. It's great as an on-the-go snack as well. I hope that you love it, and it's a whole lot better than what you're going to buy in the store. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so you know the next time I post a new video. And if you think someone else would love this video, please share it on your social media or with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.